This should be interesting. Let me talk about real estate investing. Let me just be clear, I am not a real estate investor. I am a bookkeeper and a private money lender. But I've learned a lot about real estate investing from my bookkeeping clients and the people who I lend to. So let me break it down for you. Let me explain the two big different types of real estate investing. There is long-term rentals and flipping houses. Let's start with flipping houses. This is a day job. This is very time intensive. Even if you hire subcontractors, you still need to manage the project. You will be on site, you will be in the weeds, you will be hitting deadlines, and it's really a full-time job. Even if you have subcontractors, you are buying a property, usually in bad condition, and you hire people, or you fix it up yourself, and then you sell it for a profit. This usually happens in 3 to 6 months. This is a full-time job. Not necessarily a long-term investment, but cash flow is great. If you do it properly, you can make a lot of money. The other option, buying long-term rentals. Here, similar concept, buy a property, but instead of flipping it, you're going to keep it. And you might fix it up, or maybe it's turnkey and it doesn't need to be fixed at all. Either way, you're going to put a tenant into your property, and then they're going to live there and they're going to pay you rent, and you're going to be a landlord. You're going to be a real estate investor. You're going to hold long-term rentals. Two different types. With long-term rentals, it's a long-term investment because you're going to hold the property and you're going to take advantage of appreciation and depreciation, but it's not going to cash flow in the beginning. So you need to be careful. Long-term rentals is not necessarily a good full-time job for any person right now if you don't have good cash flow. But if you're just looking for cash flow, flipping, this is why a lot of people do both. Real estate investors will flip houses and buy long-term rentals for the long-term appreciation and flipping houses for the cash flow. So now where do I come in? As a bookkeeper, I can help you manage your finances. As a private money lender, I can lend to both fix and flips and long-term rentals. Either way, I can lend money to real estate investors. And people come to me because a bank takes 30 to 60 days to close on a mortgage. A lot of these investors find these properties off market, foreclosure, auction. They need to close quickly. I can close in 7 days. And so real estate investors are willing to pay me 12% interest, which is a lot higher than you might get at a bank, but I offer fast, flexible closing.